Hello, welcome back to GK Coder. In this video, we are going to smash two JavaScript code challenges. Before diving into the video, I kindly request your support in please help us to reach 1000 subscribers before end this 2023. Continuous support means the world to us. There are two strings. You want to find the end character equal or different. If it's equal, you want to return the value as true, otherwise you want to return false. As example, there's a string got, next argument is mad, so the return will be true. Or if the first string wow and second one is pop, then return value should be false. Now I completely explain the challenge. Now pause the video, take some time to understand the problem what I say, then try to implement the code by yourself.